to the shuttle to Grand Junction. Connection is available to Potato North.
Doors on the left.
This is a Westpotat bound K train. The next stop is 10th Street.
Please step back from the closing doors.
Is available to Potato North.
Doors on the left.
This is a Westpotat bound K train via the B line. The next stop is Fordham Avenue.
Please step back from the closing doors.